Car battery charging but horn goes off? Causes and easy fixes explained. Have you ever tried charging your car battery or reconnecting it, only for the horn or alarm to suddenly start going crazy? It's loud, annoying, and honestly a little stressful, especially if it happens at night or in your driveway. In this video, I'll explain why your car horn or alarm goes off while charging or reconnecting the battery, what it means, and how to fix it safely without damaging your vehicle. When you charge or reconnect a car battery, you're restoring electrical power to the vehicle. Many modern cars have anti-theft systems, alarms, and sensors that react instantly when power is interrupted and then restored. The system may think, someone is tampering with the car, the battery was disconnected illegally, there's a short circuit or wiring issue. As a result, the horn or alarm goes off automatically. Common reasons the horn goes off: alarm system reset. This is the most common reason. When power is cut and restored, the alarm system may default to armed mode and trigger the horn. Very common in Honda, Toyota, Ford, Kia, and Hyundai vehicles. Loose or incorrect battery connections. If the battery terminals are loose, dirty, corroded, the unstable voltage can trigger the horn or alarm. Even a slightly loose terminal can cause repeated honking. Short circuit or damaged wiring. Exposed or frayed wiring near battery terminals, horn relay, alarm module, can cause the horn to activate unexpectedly. Jump-starting power surge. When jump-starting or charging, a sudden voltage spike can confuse the vehicle's electronics and trigger the alarm system. Faulty hood or door sensors. If the car thinks the hood is open, a door is being forced, the alarm system may activate the horn. If your car horn goes off while charging the battery, follow these steps. Step 1. Use the key fob to unlock the car. This often instantly disables the alarm. Step 2. Check battery terminals. Make sure they are tight, clean, and corrosion-free. Step 3. Connect charger correctly. Always connect positive to positive, negative to ground, or battery negative. Incorrect order can trigger alarms. Step 4. Turn ignition to on. If safe, some vehicles reset the alarm once the key is recognized. If the horn keeps going even after reconnecting the battery, check the horn relay, inspect fuses related to alarm and horn, look for damaged wiring near the battery. In extreme cases, temporarily removing the horn fuse can stop the noise until repairs are made. Only do this if you know what you're doing. A horn going off in the middle of the night is often caused by voltage drops in an old battery, faulty alarm sensors, temperature changes affecting connections. This is a sign your battery or alarm system may need attention soon. How to prevent it next time: disarm the alarm before disconnecting the battery, use the key fob or unlock the door first, keep battery terminals clean, replace weak batteries early, follow your car's owner manual instructions. When to see a mechanic: you should visit a professional if the horn goes off repeatedly, the alarm triggers randomly, you see damaged wiring, battery replacement didn't fix it. This may indicate a deeper electrical or alarm system issue. So if your car battery horn goes off while charging, don't panic. Most of the time, it's just the alarm system reacting to power restoration, not a serious problem. With proper connections and a quick reset, you can usually fix it yourself. If not, a mechanic can diagnose it quickly and safely. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more car repair and troubleshooting tips, and drop your question in the comments. I read everyone. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.